The Jamaica Football Federation is now hunting for a new head coach to guide the Reggae Boyz after Steve McClaren resigned on Tuesday night after the team's failure to secure automatic qualification to next year's FIFA World Cup. Christopher Scott reports.
This has been the second head coach that the senior Reggae Boyz have gone through in 2 years. And with the country having a second bite at the cherry through the Interconfederation playoffs, the question stands: who will be the next one on the sidelines? The 64-year-old Steve McClaren, who has been at the helm for 18 months, made the revelation after the team's 0-0 draw in their last CONCACAF World Cup qualifier against Curaçao at the National Stadium.
After deep reflection and an honest assessment of where we are and where we need to go, I have decided to step down as the head coach of the Jamaican national team.
McClaren also spoke to what led to his resignation.
This decision comes from respect, always the respect of the badge, always the supporters and the players. And sometimes the best thing a leader can do is to recognise when a fresh voice, new energy and a different perspective is required to move this team forward.
President of the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF Michael Ricketts, commented on McClaren stepping down.
The coach has verbally said to me that he has resigned, so I have actually accepted that. So we will put the interim coach in place with some level of urgency so that, we can get things on the right track heading into this second round of qualifications. So, like I said, we are very, very disappointed, but still have a second chance, and we're hoping to make the best use of it.
The Reggae Boyz, who needed to win, struck the goal frame 3 times and failed to score, which condemned them to a 6-team Interconfederation playoffs in Mexico next March, while Curaçao secured their first World Cup berth. Curaçao topped Group B of the qualifying round on 12, one more than Jamaica. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.